guys, and today we're going to be doing a different video. I want to kind of do a review and show you guys something new that I found that is amazing and everybody needs to know about. This is a makeup brand that I briefly heard about. I've heard advertised here and there and I just never really looked into it. The other day, I was searching for a new palette because I know you guys are about getting as sick of the Kristen Leanne palette as I am because that's all I use all the time. So anyways, I was looking for the Morphe B something, I'll link it here, I'll put it there. That palette because it's a big, colorful, awesome palette and I feel like I could do a lot with it. It's got the brights and the browns and the neutrals and all that. However, it seems like that palette is no longer in production. Even on their website, I could not find it. I can't find this palette anywhere. So in the process of searching for this, I came across a brand, BH Cosmetics. So I was looking on their website and I found a palette that was real similar to the Morphe palette. And I was like, all right, for $8. $8, I was like, all right, let's try it, okay? Because I'm not a stickler for, you know, big expensive makeup. Like, I don't have to have, you know, the real expensive stuff. So, you know, I'm just a Walmart girl, drugstore, dollar store, whatever. I don't care as long as it works. So anyways, I was like, let me try this. And I want to do a review and kind of show you guys what I got. Ultimately, I got a free gift, which I'll go over that with you. Plus, I always look for percentages off. I think I got like 10% off just from Googling BH Cosmetics code or something like that. But between everything, I paid like 25 bucks for this, for everything, and it is amazing. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna kind of do some swatches and kind of go over what I think. So the very first product that I got was the Modern Matte 28 eyeshadow. This is what it comes in, is a box. Let me take it out of the box. And these are all cruelty-free brand. This is a cruelty-free brand. It comes like this. And then it has like this little frosty kind of plasticky thing. And this, now the colors are not named or anything. You do get, let's see, 1.38 ounces for each one of these, I believe. Modern Matte. So these are matte finishes. They have the bright colors, you have the neutrals, and that's what I was looking for. I've been using it, you can tell. But yeah, so it has a little bit of everything that you could possibly need. So let me do some swatches for you. Let's go for the pinky one, just to give you an idea. It's kind of hard for them to pass through. You can't see it. Let's do it. Is that a weird place? Look at that. Alright, and then let's do a blue. Do the blue color. Blue. Okay. And then I'll go for a brown. Let's do the brown. You can do just about anything with these. Here's a brown. Look at that. These are really pigmented. From using them, there's not a lot of fallout. Some of the colors, I believe, are better than others. You just have to kind of play with what you think is good. I just want to go into everything because I am so excited and I've been wanting to do this video. So yes! Okay, so anyways, the next product that I got is the BH Cosmetics Bronze Paradise. This is a bronzer. It has bronzing and highlighter. I get the golden ticket. I got the golden ticket. Okay, so take it out of the box. And it looks like this. So this is amazing. This one does, these say they are 0.84 ounces for each one. But these, okay, so it has the little mirror. And then it has the bronzing and the highlighters. All of these different color highlighters. This bronzing is amazing. Like, let me tell you, I'm gonna show you right now, okay? Because I have never used a bronzer. I was like, I can't figure this stuff out. I don't understand the purpose of it. Like, you're already putting all this stuff on your face. Why do you need a bronzer? Let me show you. because it's getting to be summertime, okay? You want to have that automatic tan going on. Watch, this stuff is amazing. Put it here and here. And it is like an automatic tan. Automatically go from pasty to tan beauty for the summer. Okay, I'm dipping it again. Same thing. You just go right around from your forehead all the way down your cheeks. Kind of like you're gonna contour your cheeks. I think I put too much right there. But it just automatically gives you like that really good tan kind of thing going on. This stuff, I was just like, wow, the first time I used it. Okay, next is the highlighters. I'm going to swatch some of them for you. The main one that I use is this one up here because it's the lighter color. I did try the golden one as well, depending on what makeup you're using. So this first one in the corner, and again, you know what, let's swatch it here. This is gonna be funny. Look at that. You see that highlight? That's some good highlight. Okay, let's swatch it on my face, fuck it. Okay, let's do, the next one is a little bit darker. Let's do on a different finger. See it? Okay, let's go with this brighter one next, just to show you. You can see like this shit pops. It's a good shit. I wonder what the blue, I wanted to try that blue. Let's see what that actually looks like. This is gonna be funny. Okay. Now who would want a blue highlight? Like who puts blue highlight on their face? Like up there. I don't know. What would you use, I guess, if you're doing some kind of like different kind of makeup? And this is a darker one. I'll use my pinky right here. Let's do this one. Yeah, that's really, really dark too. As far as highlight though, I guess this is, because it's a whole bronzing palette, I guess it's more of like a bronzing type thing. If you have darker skin tone, this would be really beautiful for you. So I'm gonna go, the lighter ones for me is the highlight is awesome. I love it. Okay, so anyways, this is amazing. Definitely are good. I recommend all of these. They're amazing. I was very, very highly impressed. I wanted to get a little bit of everything just to kind of, you can have an idea of what they offer. Let's see, so this is the waterproof lip liner. And I actually have it on right now. And this is in the color Candy. It is a pink color. Look at that, it glides on so easy. It is super soft. See? I already have it on my lips, so I don't want to show you. We're just gonna do a whole palette testing on my face today. See? But it's a very soft pencil. It goes on very well. Definitely good coverage, and it's waterproof, so that's awesome. Again, for the summer, you can't beat that. The next thing that I got is the VH Pro. It comes in this box. Matte finish pressed powder, because I don't wear foundation. I do use the pressed powder to kind of finish everything off. But I got it in the color, this is the medium, no, light, shade 215. Yeah, shade 215. But yeah, so this, and they have all different ones. This is the powder. And then underneath of the powder is, oh, you push this button or something. Oh, it just lifts up. Lift it up like that. And it has this little spongy thing inside of it. let's do this. I'm gonna show you this just to see if I can fix what I did up here. Not that it matters now. This is a weird kind of thing that it comes with. Probably, I would say use your regular brush or whatever you have. See, that kind of evened it out. But this is definitely another good product to have. And I believe this was like $4. Again, all the prices I'll just stick up there in the corner. I was just amazed. Like, I literally went through every category that they had and I was like, click in cart, click in cart. This next one is my last product to show you guys, and I actually got this for free. This is the Urban Luxe Cool To Go 6-color eyeshadow palette. So it has 6 colors. They are matte finish colors. And it also comes with your little spongy brush. But these colors, again, I was highly impressed. I used this one the other day. Highly, highly impressed with the pigment. The pink especially, I've been looking for a really good pink. Look at that pink. That is, wow, okay. And then black, this one has a black, and the Modern Mattes has a black in it as well. This one, for some reason, looks a little bit darker. Look at that, that is wow. So you just go over it a little bit and it kind of, it's definitely there. They blend very, very well. Highly, highly impressed again. So, and I like how this is set up. You have your contour shade, you have your lid shade, you have everything in one palette, and they have these in all different colors that you can choose from. Also with the Modern Mattes, there is a shimmer, I think it's called Foils, Modern Foil palette. And again, for 28 colors for $8 is amazing. So I'm a cheapo, and this stuff, I feel like it's super cheap. It's very, very affordable, and it's like high quality stuff. I mean, for all, this is like going to Sephora. Like, it's good shit. This is not a sponsored video. This is just something that I wanted to share with you that I am very, very impressed with. I think that everyone should try BH Cosmetics. It is amazing. I will leave a link for these products down below, and if you want to check out their website, you can do that. Again, not sponsored. Totally willing to be sponsored though. But yeah, so it's really good stuff. Check it out. And if you want me to do a full face, because I pretty much have everything that I need to do an eye look, all of that, I definitely will be getting more from them. They have mascara, they do have lashes, they have setting spray, they have every single product you can imagine they have. They have the blush, I definitely want to try that. But yeah, so if you want me to do a full face video or makeup tutorial on that, I will. Woo! Giveaway, 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 giveaway. Giveaway secret word. First of all, if you don't know, we're having a giveaway right now. It is going on through June the 8th, 2018. And for the information, look in the iCards linked there, and below is the link. You go through that link, you get your entry, you are a verified subscriber, and then you can get your free entries, your extra entries. I am doing a secret word for each of my videos. You comment that secret word. So for today, I look like a clown. Let's just go with, let's go with clown. Your secret word is clown, because I look like a clown. I look really, this was not planned, by the way. It was really not planned. It just kind of happened, and I'm kind of digging it. It's a new look. Okay, so comment the secret word clown, and I will give you one free entry into the giveaways. At the end of the giveaway, by end of next Friday, I will be tallying all the entries that, that all of you have gotten, and be choosing the winner from there. So give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.